trying to analyze what we are going to see on the bank Nifty today, given the huge ramp up in the US overnight, the expected up move. To give you a broad down the bank Nifty is done, we have already crossed the all-time high once. This was the previous all-time high. This was made in October 2021, and we tagged this levels again somewhere on the 15th of September, and then we took a down, taking it down to 37,600 odd, from where in a period of probably a month and some 15 days we are back at the top, and this time we have gone above the top and retraced back into this value area. Let's take this balance area and see what happened here. So let's go to the 15-minute chart and I will show you what happened here. So here we took support at the point of control of all. If I were to give you an idea, this was the area that and trust, and this was the point of control that we had in our on our chart. That yes, if you see that yesterday we took a healthy bounce from this very point of control and went up to somewhere in the new value area that was getting constructed. So this is the new balance area that got constructed after yesterday's trade, and I would have based my assessment of what will happen today based on this new value area creation here. But what we see now is that we are seeing a huge gap up in the Nifty, so that should take us well above the highs of what we saw the other day. That should be if we are at 41,750, and the last high was 42,200. So in all probability we should cross over 42,200 in the open. Now the construct here could be, depending on how the open behaves, we could open higher and yesterday, or whatever the last period is. It was not yesterday, it was day before, and then move on from here. So I with no reference areas to judge how Nifty is going to perform beyond the all-time high, we can just create a probability scenario of this kind where Nifty would open higher, could see some profit booking. We could go down to either the 42,000 odd amount level, or we could there's one more scenario that could happen. We could also come down in this area, which is a high value node just above the balance area, and we probably could bounce either from 42,100, or we could also, if it goes down, we could see 41,950 being the other area where we could see a bounce happening. So these could be the two significant areas which could give us some bounce after the market opens higher, if at all we see a retracement. If we don't see a retracement and the market keeps on going higher, well, that can happen too. But in all probability we are going to open above the all-time high today, and we should see an all-time high in the bank Nifty for sure today. So this is the analysis on the bank Nifty. I hope the levels help you to trade. It's a super bullish day, but be careful with your position sizes because it could be volatile. But yes, your bias has to be on the plus side of the market. So thanks for listening to this analysis, and hope you benefit from these levels. Thanks a lot and have a great trading day.